Hello. Thank you so much for your love and support. And today's topic is deployment, not deployment, but update. So there are few strategy in deployment. That is the rolling update, which is by default, and second one is recreate. Here one by one pod is deleted and recreated. Not all the pod will killed at the time, and if we define like that, and in recreate all the pods is created, all pods are deleted and recreated all the time. And third one is, so basically Kubernetes, we these two properties we will see. There are many more, like blue green deployment, canary, you have heard of, A/B testing, shadow, and feature flag. So for the Kubernetes aspect, we are stick to the rolling update and recreate. So what happens in the rolling update? So in rolling update there are two terms, max unavailable and max surge. So what happened in max surge, they and max unavailable, so those have a default value of 25%, default value of 25. So here is a round down and here is the round up. Suppose here three pods are there, so 25% of the three pod is 0.75. So zero pod should be killed, should be, sorry, unavailable. It is respect to the replica. Suppose it's a 3, so 3 pods should be running at every time, and that is the max surge. So max surge says that this number is round up, so 0.75 is round up to 1, and default value is like a 1. So whenever whenever you go for rounding up, then temporarily 4 pod could be there. So how? Suppose these are the 3 pod, 1 2 3, and max surge is 1, 25%, so it's a round up, so it's a 1, and max unavailable is 0. So 3 pod always run. So what happen? One pod will be created, one new pod will be created, and then this pod is deleted. So what happened? This up. Now one more pod is created, one more pod is created, and this pod is deleted. Then one more pod is created, and this pod is deleted. So what happening here? Every time every time 3 pod is always running, this running, this running, this running. Every time, whenever means every time 3 pod is running, means 0 pod is unavailable. Because of max search, 1 pod is created extra, and then rest of the pod is deleted. If one that max unavailable is 1, means out of 3, 1 can be unavailable. So this thing we can do tomorrow. Thank you for your love and support. And so in recreate, all the pods are deleted at once and create. If there are 3 pods, these all are deleted and recreate. Thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you.